What is this meeting Google Calendar feature? Google Calendar has a new feature that allows groups to create places called meeting rooms in the same way that they create events. This article has everything you need to know about this new option, including what's best for your business and how to set up information, as well as make sure attendees receive invitations. What is the Google Calendar meeting? The Google Calendar meeting feature is a way for you to organize and manage your meetings with ease. With this tool, you can easily create, add speakers, and track the attendance of your meetings. Is it helpful? Yes, it is helpful. I use it to plan appointments, prioritize tasks, and stay on top of my work schedule. More information on what it does and doesn't do. Google Calendar is a cool online calendar that lets you organize your events and meetings easily. It's pretty user-friendly, and it also has some nifty features that other online calendars don't have, like the ability to add meeting notes to each event so you can keep track of what was discussed. Here we'll take a look at some of the things that this meeting Google Calendar feature does and doesn't do. This feature does not let you invite specific people to meetings, only calendars. The meeting feature lets you create up to 10 different meeting rooms, where participants can't join remotely if they are logged into their Google account. You can also include photos and videos in your meeting notes, as well as shareable link URLs for slides or screen recordings from the meeting. The meeting feature is free to use, but there are some caveats. You can only use it for Google Calendars that are hosted on your own domain or on domains that you control. And it doesn't work with shared calendars like those used in office settings because of licensing restrictions with the calendar providers who supply these shared calendars. Other uses for this feature: Google Calendar is one of the most popular calendar tools for businesses, and Google has been adding new features to it on a regular basis. One recent addition is the meeting feature. This lets you create a new event with just a few clicks, without having to create a new calendar page or add people individually. Here are some other ways that this feature can be useful. 1. Schedule quick meetings with team members when you're short on time. With the meeting feature, you can quickly create and schedule a meeting with anyone in your contact list. All you need is their name and email address. 2. Hold urgent meetings outside of normal business hours. If there's something important that needs to be discussed during non-standard business hours, you can easily schedule the meeting using the meeting feature. This way, everyone involved will know the time and date of the meeting, even if they can't attend in person. 3. Preserve important digital documents. If you create or receive any documents that need to be shared with others, such as presentations or reports, using the meeting feature can make sure those files are safely stored and accessible for future reference. Simply attach them to the meeting event. And cons of this feature: the Google Calendar meeting feature is a great way to keep track of planned meetings and events, but there are some drawbacks to it. First, this feature can be quite slow and laggy, especially if there are a lot of scheduled events. Second, it's difficult to manage meeting notes and recordings with this feature. You have to manually add each event to your calendar, which can be time-consuming. Third, the Google Calendar meeting feature doesn't allow you to invite participants directly from email or other forms of communication. Finally, this feature is only available for Google Calendar accounts that have been verified and added to a team. Conclusion: the meeting Google Calendar feature is a great way to easily organize and schedule regular meetings with coworkers, clients, or other important people. The feature is easy to use and can be tailored to suit your specific needs.